All right, here we are given a table with XY values. We are told that it does represent an exponential function. Oh, let me get my tools ready here. It does represent an exponential function, which we know is in the form y equals a b to the x. Let me try to write that smaller. Okay, so we need to find the a value and the b value, and then we can write the function. Now, there's at least 3 different ways that you can answer this question. I'm going to go over the way we taught you in class, 2 of the ways. One of them was to just look at the table and locate the a. So we know that the a is the y-intercept, or where x is 0. So my a value would definitely be 6. So any answer choice that does not have 6 in the a value, so in that first number, you would need to eliminate. So we can eliminate C, we can eliminate D. From there, what I'd probably do is go to the calculator. See if I can drag this over here. This a little bigger. Cool, so you will press menu and add graph, and then you'll type in your functions to see which one has the matching table. So I'll type in 6 to the 2 times 2/5 to the power of x first, and then press enter. And then remember, you can press Control T to see the table. And so our x values are here, and these are our y values. So if we're trying to match our table, then I would need to scroll up. Oh, kind of messed up my, try that again. I pressed something and couldn't get out of it. All right, so now I should be able to scroll up, and I see that when x is -2, the y value there is 37.5. I see when x is -1, my y value there is 15. When x is 0, y is 6. When x is 1, y is 2.4. So that's when I then want to go look at my table and see if that matches. And since all of those points match, then I know that this function is my answer.